We continue with example 4. 3 points A, -19, B, 3, 1, and C, 6, -5, respectively, are on a straight line. Okay, so find the ratio of AB to BC. Okay, first of all, you have to understand, okay, this ratio. AB to BC means that, okay, we have divisions of line segment. We have internally, okay, and also, okay, externally. Okay, you have to understand which one the divisions of the line segments of B. Okay, so B is the divisions of line segment. So you have to understand whether it is internally or externally. So from the point you can see whether B is externally or internally divides the line. Okay, so kalau you tengok sini A -19, B 3, 1, C 6, -5. So kalau pada kalau tengok pada point ni AB -19 kan, okay, sorry, B 3, 1 and C 6, -5 tengok alright, so kita nampak actually B divides, okay, the lines, okay, internally. So kita boleh pakai formula mana? Internally kita ada dua. Satu dia adalah midpoint, satu lagi M, ratio of M to N. So kalau tengok sini -1 to 3 dengan 3 to 1, so dia bukanlah midpoint, ya. Okay, so kita nak guna mana? Kita guna formula yang kedua, okay, which is a ratio M to N. Okay, right? So find the ratio of AB to BC. Okay, kita nak cari ratio. Okay, kita pakai internally yang kedua lah. Okay, so kita ada ratio of B as Y, right? So it is actually kita akan ada N, right? So N akan times dengan XA plus, okay, M darab dengan XC, right? XB dulu, okay, sorry, XB okay, and then okay, and then we have N plus M, right? Okay, so kita ada comma, okay, kita ada N YA plus, okay, M Y C, sorry, C actually. C over N plus M. Okay, so this one is equal to what? Equal to point B, which is 3, 1. Okay, and XA adalah -1 plus MXC adalah 6, okay, over N plus M. We don't know what is M plus M. And then NYA 9 plus MYC -5 over, okay, N plus M. Alright. Okay, so we have -N plus 6M over N plus M, okay, and then 9N minus 5N over N plus M, okay. Alright, so you boleh ambil compare here. We compares here. So compares. Okay, it is actually 3 equal to negative n plus n m over n plus m. So those yang tak faham, macam ni lah. This one is x and this one is y. So this one is x and this one is y. Okay? So ini x. This one is also x. Yeah. Okay. So what we have now is okay. Sambung 3n plus 3m equal to negative n plus 6m. Okay, so 4n is equal to 3 3m. So what is m over n? M over n is 4 over 3. Yeah. Sorry, saya tulis tempat yang cantik sikit ya. So therefore, okay, m over n is equal to okay 4 over 3. Okay, how about kalau you comparekan y? You still got the same answer. Okay, let's say you comparekan y, sorry, 1 is equal to comparekan y. So 9n minus 5m over n plus m, right? So n plus m is equal to 9n minus 5n, right? So here is 9m, here will be 8, okay, 8n, so m over n is equal to 8 over 6, which is 4 over 3, so we got the same answer. So what is the ratio of AB to BC? It is 4 over 3. Okay, alright, so that is example 4. Okay, we are done. Okay, on a straight line. Okay, so we move to the straight line equations of a straight line. Okay, bila kita sebut straight line, you have to understand how to write the straight lines properly. Okay, so let's see the types of equations of a straight line. Okay, so the straight line of the line, the gradient of the line passing through 2 points, okay, is defined as gradient denoted by m lah. Slope ke gradient adalah benda yang sama, equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Alright, so next, the equations of the line that passing through the gradient in the gradient form, okay, is given by y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So bila masa nak guna this one, okay, so this yang kita akan ada a few types of equations of a straight line. We have a gradient form macam mana. Paling senang nak ingat bila nak guna, bila you ada gradient, okay, when you know the gradient and also a point. So you pakai gradient form. Bila? Okay, again, when you know the gradient, okay, of the line and also you know a point, okay, so you can use a gradient form. Okay, so how about if you know the gradient and the y-intercept, so you can use a equation of a straight line, which is a y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, kalau you tahu gradient, bila nak guna? Bila you tahu satu gradient, satu lagi adalah y-intercept. Okay. Okay, number 4, the equations of a straight line in the standard form is given by ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, and c are constant and a, b is not equal to 0. Okay, so this one is a standard form. You're gonna faham standard form. They equal to 0 lah, standard form. And then we also have equations of a line in the intercept form. So intercept form maksudnya akan melibatkan intercept lah, persilangan. Okay, so given by x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. Okay. Alright. Here where A is the x-intercept and B is y-intercept. Okay. Alright. So, okay. Again, saya ulang. Kita ada a few types of equation of a straight line. The first one kita ada gradient form. Bila nak guna gradient form? Bila you tahu information of the gradient and also you are given a point, so you can use a gradient point. Okay, gradient form. Okay, kalau you know the gradient of the line and also the y-intercept, so you can use this straight line equation. Okay, you have a gradient and you know the y-intercept, so you can use the equations of the straight line. Okay, how about the standard form? The standard form you kena ingat dia mesti equal to 0 lah. You kena rearrange dia lah. Which is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, where a and b is not equal to 0. Okay, and then we have intercept form. Bila kita ada intercept form, okay, so dia melibatkan intercept y-intercept as well as x-intercept. So x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. Okay, and for your information, a itu adalah x-intercept and b is a y-intercept. So dia mesti equal to 1. Kalau tak equal to 1, so you mesti rearrange dia supaya dia equal to 1. Okay, so let's see example 5. Again, find the equations of the line, okay, of the following points. Okay, a given 4, 2 and negative 7, 3. Okay, this one kita tak tahu gradient. Okay, so you have to find the gradient lah. Okay, so kita pakai standard form. Okay, kita pakai gradient form. Kita pakai gradient form. Okay, which is a y over y1. Okay, over sebab kita tak tahu x-intercept. Okay, kita tak tahu y-intercept. So yang kita boleh pakai sama ada standard form and also okay, gradient form. Okay, so ingat gradient form macam mana? This is a gradient form. Kita boleh pakai gradient form lah sebab gradient form kita boleh cari because we are given 2 points and we have a point. So okay, we use a gradient form. Okay, alright. So gradient form y minus y1 over x minus x1, so equal to equal to gradient. What is a gradient? Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y1 ni you boleh ambil mana-mana, so saya suka yang bukan negatif. Sini ada negatif, okay, saya nak buat negatif lah to avoid a careless mistake for sure. Okay, so y minus 2 over x minus x1 4. Okay, x2 y2 3 minus y1 2 over x2 negative 7 minus x1 2. So jadi y minus 2 over x minus 4 is equal to 3 minus 2 1 negative. Okay. Sorry, negative negative 1 over, sorry kat sini ada something wrong. I should be 4 and 8. Okay, sorry. Should be 3 minus 2 over 7 minus 4, right? Okay, so akan ada negative 1 over 1 over negative 11. So kita macam ni. Okay, negative. Okay, so macam mana nak buat? Find the equation. Okay, find the equation. Okay, kalau ini you punya gradient lah. Okay, so kalau you ada gradient form, dia akan ada y minus 2 equal to negative 1 over 11 times x minus 4. Dia actually kalau awak pakai point dia adalah, okay, kalau kat sini awak pakai point dia negative 7 3 pun akan dapat yang jawapan yang sama. So sekarang saya pakai 4 2 sebab saya nak elakkan negative value here. Okay, saya pakai 0.42 lah. Okay, so kalau awak nak pakai point negative 7 over 7 3 pun you will get the same answer, don't worry. Okay, so macam mana? This is a gradient form lah. Okay, gradient form. Okay, next. Next adalah standard form. Okay, standard form dia adalah y minus 2 equal to negative x over 11 plus 4 over 11. Okay, so macam mana? Standard form, ingat tak? Standard form you mesti equal to 0. So macam mana nak buat rearrange lah. Okay, semua darab dengan 11 supaya senang. Okay, so akan jadi 11y minus 22. Okay, equal to negative x plus 4. Okay, apa lagi nak buat rearrange lah supaya dia equal to 0. So x bawah sini, x plus 11y minus 22, this one pun bawah. Okay, so minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, kita siap lagi. Okay. So that will be x plus 11y minus, okay, negative 22 minus 4 akan dapat minus 26 is equal to 0. Okay. So yang ketiga, kita akan ada intercept form. Okay, yang ketiga adalah intercept form. So intercept form macam mana? Okay, intercept form adalah, okay, okay, dia you boleh rearrange daripada sini. It is actually x plus 11y, okay, minus 26 equal to 0. So you rearrange daripada sini jadi x plus 11y is equal to 26. So actually dia mesti equal to 1, right? So macam mana? Everything divided by 26 lah. Tapi kat sini ni belum lagi. Sebab apa? Sebab, okay, intercept form adalah, okay, let's recall a over x plus b over y equal to 1. So ini belum 1. So now we have x over 26 plus, okay, macam mana nak buat? So dia akan jadi y over 26, okay, divide lagi dengan 11 equal to 1. So that is intercept form. Okay, so untuk B, okay, saya nak you try buat sendirilah. Sama je konsepnya dengan A. Okay, alright, so this is the answer for B. You may try at home. Okay, so let's see another example. Find the equations of the line passing point negative 3, 8 and gradient 5. Okay, so macam mana nak buat? You have to extract the information given to you first. We have a line 3 negative 3, 8 and gradient 5. So maksudnya apa? You boleh pakai gradient form, betul? We have a y minus y1 over x minus x1 equal to m. Okay, so kita ada satu ni point y minus 8 over x minus, okay, negative 3. So equal to gradient is 5. So okay, find the equation. Kita tak tahu, kita tak cakap apa. So let's see gradient form. Okay, so gradient form. Jadi kita restructure daripada sini. Dia akan jadi y minus 8 equal to 5. Okay, x negative, so akan jadi plus 3. So that is a gradient form. Yang kedua adalah standard form. Okay, so standard form, you can expand this one, definitely y minus a is equal to 5x plus 5 times 3, 15. So standard form ingat dia mesti equal to 0. Okay, left hand side is equal to 0. So okay, rearrange akan jadi 5x minus y, okay, plus 15 okay, plus 8 equal to 0. So now we have a standard form, okay, 5x again, we have 5x minus y plus 23 equal to 0, and then this is a standard form. Okay, the third one is a intercept form. Okay, for intercept form, okay, daripada sini you have a 5x minus y plus 23 equal to 0. 5x minus y is equal to negative 23. So they must equal to 1, right? So everything you have to divide dengan negative 23. Okay, divide 1 over dengan negative 23. So equal to negative 23 divided by negative 23 equal to 1. Tapi you are not done yet sebab kat sini 5. So macam mana divide dengan